Hello students, I am Dr. Prabha Patil, Vivekanand College, Kolhapur. Welcome to my talk on what is linguistics. Friends, linguistics as an academic discipline offers basics and general studies in phonetics, phonology, morphology, and syntax, and may introduce semantics, pragmatics, or sociolinguistics. Actually, the branches of linguistics are increasing with the growth of technology and science like neurolinguistics, computational linguistics, forensic linguistics, geographical linguistics, and so on. We can differentiate them as pure linguistics and applied linguistics. Friends, the presentation is restricted only to the basic concepts of linguistics. Introduction to Linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It is not concerned with the study of any particular language or languages. It comprises language in all its forms and manifestations. The subject matter of linguistics is all natural languages, living or dead. Linguistics employs careful methods to observe, record, and analyze the phenomena related to its subject matter, namely language. Let us see branches of linguistics: phonetics, phonology, phonetactics, morphophonemics, morphology, syntax, and semantics. Phonetics. Phonetics is the study of speech sounds. It is concerned with the production, properties, and perception of speech sounds in general. It investigates how speech sounds are articulated, transmitted, and perceived. Phonology. Phonology is the study of how speech sounds function in a language. It studies the way speech sounds are organized in a language. A phoneme is a minimal distinctive unit in the sound system of a language. The members of a phoneme are called the allophones of the phoneme. Phonotactics. Phonotactics deals with the way phonemes combine to form syllables. It is concerned with the structure of the syllable in terms of phonemes. Phonotactics is the branch of phonology. Each language has its own restrictions as to how phonemes combine with one another to form sequence. For example, there are words which begin with k-l or p-l, as in clay or play, but no English word begins with t-l or z-l. Restrictions of this sort come under phonotactics. Morphophonemics. Morphophonemics or morphophonology is concerned with the relation between morphemes and phonemes. Morphophonemics is concerned with how phonemes form morphemes. It studies the structure of morphemes in terms of phonemes. For example, the plural s is realized as z in boys, as s in caps, and as is in roses. Such variations are handled under morphophonemics. Morphophonemics is concerned with the relation between morphemes and their allomorphs. Morphology. Morpheme is a meaningful unit in the grammatical system of language. Morphology studies the way morphemes combine to form words. Morphology is concerned with the structure of words in terms of morphemes. The morphs which belong to the same morpheme are allomorphs. some morphophonemic changes in English, in other words, the allomorphs. Morphophonemic changes, the plurals, is like roses, z in balls, s in caps. Zero morpheme, sheep, run, that is children, the past allomorphs. Id in wanted, d in called, t in talked, and zero morpheme, that is shut. Syntax and semantics. Syntax deals with the way words combine to form phrases and sentences. It examines the structure, how it is generated in the brain. Syntax is referred to as sentence grammar. The branch of linguistics that is concerned with the study of meaning is called semantics. Semantics deals with meaning. Conclusions. Of what possible use can linguistics be? A teacher who has reasonable insight of the mechanism of language can teach language with confidence and efficiency. A background in linguistics would be of great help to one who wants to do a useful error analysis. For better understanding of stylistic studies to literary criticism, the knowledge of linguistics is of great help. Acknowledgement. I offer my deepest gratitude to the Department of Correspondence Courses, CIEFL Hyderabad, whose course writings proved fruitful to me as the primary sources. Yes, fortunately, the study of linguistics has made me a good teacher. Thank you.